Hello everyone, welcome back to another Watchin. Today we've got a quick box opening of a Watchgang wheel spin watch from their Memorial Day sale. Before we get to that, we'll do a quick wrist check and you'll see that I am wearing my Laco JU52. This was one of the Watchgang Platinum watches when I still did the Platinum tier level. I love this thing. It's one of my favorite watches and I'm glad that I was able to get this at that Platinum tier level. Also, guys, as I'm opening this up, if you're looking to save a little bit of money, I have discount codes for Spinnaker, AB.B.L It, and Ballast. And if you're looking to sign up for Watchgang, make sure you use my link below. It'll get you some wheel spin points and me some wheel spin points, which is actually what I used to get this watch itself. Now, this watch is one that I have taken a look at before and done a full review on. So this will be just a box opening, but I will put a link to the full review in the video notes. Like I said, this was normally a tier 3 wheel spin from Watchgang, so it normally would have been $285. Of course, I saved up my points and used those, but during the Memorial Day sale, that wheel was discounted $25. So I got this one for the equivalent of $260. So we've got a leather watch roll here, and you can see we've got a Aquacy watch. We've got their warranty card, and let's take a look at what we've got. So some of you guys that have been following me for a long time, let me get the plastic off this thing. Some of you guys that have been following me for a long time remember me doing a review on this very model from Aquacy. This is the, I'm going to screw up the pronunciation for sure. This is the Hei Matau Cave Diver. Now, the Hei Matau refers to kind of their fish hook logo, Aquacy's logo itself. And yep, I'm sure I butchered that pronunciation, but it's as good as I can get. So I loved this watch when I got to take a look at it so much. I love that open heart. This has a Seiko NH38, if I remember correctly. Has a little slight domed crystal to it. This one is a mineral crystal with a sapphire coating, if I remember correctly. And this one has the abalone dial, which I love. I mean, no two are going to be alike. It has just crazy cool colors to it. You see their Hei Matau logo on the crown as well as the case back showing the movement. Such a cool piece. I'm excited to get one. Now, when I got to take a look at it before, it was because I was part of a watch group and Aquacy sent them out to a bunch of different reviewers to be able to take a look at. And I fell in love with this one and did not want to send it back. So when it popped up on the wheel, I had to get one. Just because I knew I would wear this one quite a bit. If you look how thick that leather strap is, it's going to take a little bit for that to soften up. But you can see how much room, and I could probably go a little tighter, but I'm not trying to strangle myself. You can see how much room is still available in the strap on my roughly 7-inch wrist. Man, that is such a cool piece. I really, really like this one. I'm excited for it. It will get a ton of wrist time. And if you guys want the full review, the full specs of everything, click the link below and watch the full review on it. Let me know what you guys think of this one in the comments below. As always, guys, thanks for watching.